is the video.
Oh,
Video.
nice
Yeah.
guy, nice guy. Very helpful.
Yes, thank you. All right.
Recommended.
Like, share and subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
See you again.
Yes. Have a nice flight home.
I will definitely recommend.
Okay. I will miss you. Hello, we provide the NUSA Penida package. If you want to book our NUSA Penida package, I have to pick up you at 6 o'clock in the morning time. At this time, I pick up my customers at 6 o'clock. I am Agung. So nice to meet you guys. So when I pick up you at 6 o'clock in the morning time, I will drive you to Sanur Port and I will help you for the tickets in the Semabu Hills fast boat, and then I will assist you until you go to Penida. So this is my program to how to pick up our customers from hotel to NUSA Penida, and please check our price on the description about our program. We got another client here, so she must be sit down in the front. Yeah. Yes.
Je moet voorin zitten.
Yeah.
Oh. Heb je lekker geslapen?
Yeah, of course.
Ja.
Slept good?
Yes.
Good sleep.
Yeah, good
Yeah.
but short.
Short.
We went to the bar last night.
Oh, that's right. Okay. Good morning. Okay. So this is 6:30 in the morning time. So we must be here. If you want to take the fast boat at 7 o'clock, you must be here around 6:30. Yes. And now we are going to Semabu Hills. So guys, if you want to book our fast boat and you need our pickup service, this is the way we will do for you. Pick up you at maybe at 6 o'clock in the morning time, and we must be here 6:30. Because the check-in time is before 7 o'clock, because the first fast boat go to Penida is at 7 o'clock. So this is our fast boat, Semabu Hills. Okay, so if you book straight to me, you don't need to pay nothing here, just tell me your name. Nusa Penida, I always help you to do the check-in. It's the sunrise. Wow, sunrise from the east side. And so this is our building to go to Penida. So this is, so we do check in from here. Senabu Hills. Yeah, just go straight.
Thank you.
Welcome. Have nice. Can see you again. Yes. It's like this one. Cheers.
Hello,